iPhone 16 pre-order delays. New dates have been announced. Apple's iPhone 16 pre-orders began on September 13th, but delivery delays are already affecting some models. If you've pre-ordered an iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max, your phone might arrive later than expected. The iPhone 16 series consists of 4 models: iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max, each with various storage sizes and colors. The delays can be attributed to high demand and limited stock. Apple's manufacturing process and supply chain might also be contributing factors. Here are the iPhone 16 delivery dates for AT&T. For the iPhone 16, September 25th to October 9th. For the iPhone 16 Plus, September 25th to October 9th. For the iPhone 16 Pro, September 30th to October 14th for Desert Titanium and Natural Titanium, and October 7th to October 21 for Black Titanium and White Titanium. And for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, October 7th to October 21. Here are the iPhone 16 delivery date for T-Mobile. For the iPhone 16, September 22nd to September 25. For the iPhone 16 Plus, September 22nd to September 25. For the iPhone 16 Pro, September 26th to October 2nd. And for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, October 2nd to October 8th. If you've pre-ordered an iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max, be prepared for a longer wait. You can check Apple's website or your carrier's website for updates on your order. Consider visiting an Apple store or authorized retailer for availability, or look into alternative models or storage sizes. The iPhone 16 delivery dates for Verizon: iPhone 16, September 20th to September 30th. iPhone 16 Plus, September 20th to September 30th for the pink one. iPhone 16 Pro, September 20th to September 30th. And for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, October 4th to October 11th for the natural titanium. As the pre-order cycle continues, Apple and US wireless carriers are working to fulfill orders. However, high demand and limited stock are causing delays. You need to be patient and flexible when waiting for your new iPhone.